I'd like to inform you that for this second wave in 2021-22, there has been for the medical department, including NHM and DHS, an expenditure of approximately 240 crores have been spent. And this includes mostly equipments that are being used to fight COVID, ranging from obviously the prefab structures to procurement of different COVID items, to procurement of oxygen cylinders. So it has been slightly more different. There's of course also salary components, supplies and materials. All these aspects also are there. At the same time, we also had to have expenditures in the Corona care centers and equipments including ambulances, masks and PPEs. We also had to spend on labs and surveillance amounts, oxygen concentrators. So all these expenditures on a total have come to about 240 crores for the second wave. Regarding the different cryogenic plants in the COVID hospitals in the state, we are at a very advanced stage to complete the cryogenic plants, both in Jingiakhun as well as here in Shillong. And we are hopeful that both these plants should be up within the next 2 weeks' time. In fact, we will be able to start trials of these plants in maybe a week's time from now, especially the Shillong one. The trials will start within 1 week's time. And then we're hopeful that after that, once the trials are successful, that these plants will be fully operational. This would ensure that if we are hit by the third wave, then we will be in a much better position in terms of the supply of oxygens for the long run.